Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of my brand new series hashtag Explore with Srishti. So as you all know that Myntra Big Fashion Festival is live now and I have picked up some super amazing product from this sale and can't wait to share with you all. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the very first product is this 3-piece kurta set from the brand Libas. It is dark pink in color and have zari work all over it. If I talk about its kurta, it has beautiful zari work all over its neckline and have this beehive-like structure all over it. And at the bottom of the kurta, there is a beautiful border. The fabric is silk blend and it's not that soft but comfortable to wear. Moving to the bottom wear, it has border at the end of these and also have pockets in it. Finally, the dupatta. Guys, I'm in love with this dupatta. It is really gorgeous. As you can see, it is made of delicate net cloth and have this flower pattern all over it. It also has zari work in it and a beautiful border. As you can see at the end of the dupatta, they also provided tassel which looks really cool. So overall this 3-piece kurta set is ideal for any festive occasions or special event. It originally cost around 6,500 but I got it only for 2,300 during this sale. Next up is this beautiful watch from the brand Titan Raga. You guys would not believe I was waiting for this sale just to buy this watch on discount. It's super lightweighted yet very elegant to wear. The watch is in rose gold color. It is very lightweighted. Its original price was 4,000 but I snagged it just for rupees 3,200 during the sale. I also ordered another watch from the same brand for my mother. This is also from the brand Titan Raga and have a beautiful design. It is also in rose gold color but have different design for dial as well as strap. Guys, look at this. How classy this looks. This one is a bit more on pricier side. It originally cost me around 6,500 but I got it only for 3,500. It is a very classy design and means good for office wear. Now the last product is this bag from the brand VanHeusen. The moment I saw it, I knew I have to get it. This is in powder blue color and look at this guys, how gorgeous this is. It has beautiful pattern all over it. This bag will look gorgeous with all of your western outfits. It is in powder blue color and have knot like structure in both the end of its straps. It has magnetic closure but have no zipper. That is the only disadvantage of this bag. It has 2 compartments inside it and 1 ziplock compartment in it. The detailing all over this bag is what stole my heart. So you must definitely check this out. So that's it for the video guys. If you want to buy any of these products, I will add the link of all the products in the description box. So don't forget to check them. Also please don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will not miss any update. Bye.